Hey guys, let's work on the homework for that lesson. So we need to open the DuckDuckGo.com, type the word Maven in the search box, press enter, and on the next page make sure there is a Maven in the search box, plus we'll make sure that there is Apache, one link with the text Apache Maven. So let's do that right now. So I'm gonna open that search, we'll type Maven, hit enter, then I'm going to be able to see that Maven is here and the Apache Maven link is here. That's it, right? So let's do that together with opening the IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, I'm gonna use existing project. This is my existing project. I'm gonna go ahead and create the package. Lesson 3.6. Okay, and then in 3.6 I'm gonna go ahead and create a class lesson 3_6. Okay, so I'm gonna extend this class from base test, so that now I have driver and I have everything else. In my config properties I have Chrome, so I'm gonna work with Chrome. I'm gonna go ahead and create a test. So create a public void lesson 3.6. Okay, that my task is became executable. You see this little icon over here, so that's executable. Perfect. Now what are we doing now? Let's check. We need to open DuckDuckGo. Okay, let me copy that link. Copy. Let's me make sure I copied the right address. Okay, so driver get, and in that curly brackets, in the double quotes, I have that link, then driver, and then I need to type the word Maven. So I'll need to find element by some XPath maybe, and then send keys and Maven. Okay, so let's see what would be the right search right locator. Okay, so I'll go ahead and see is there any IDs, any unique. Oh, I see the name Q. Let me try to find that anything with the name equals to Q. Okay, that's only one here, so I can simply go ahead and use a simple locator by name and then Q, and I'll send the keys, and then what else, and I need to press enter. So I can do that just simply by doing the keys enter. So Maven enter. Okay, this is perfect. On the next page, verify that the word Maven exists on the search box. Okay, so let me open back this one, Maven. Let me go ahead and do the inspect for that search bar. Okay, so search bar is here, and how can I see the value? Let me actually hover over the mouse one more time. Maven. Okay, let's take a look together. Where is that Maven? I think the value Maven here. That's where is the Maven. So I think we can use again the name Q and check in the value Maven. Okay, I'll do that one more time. The same locator, the same web element, and then get attribute value. I hope would return me the actual result. Also, after I type Maven and hit the enter, I might gonna need to wait for a second. So let me add that, and also let me add the exception. Okay, exception added. That the actual result, I'm doing the assert true. So actual result equals to Maven. Okay, so I hope this is gonna work. You see, whenever you see anything orange or yellowish, you can go ahead and see what the options are. Simplify assertion Sort equals, okay, sort equals perfect. Actual result equals to Maven. Let me probably debug it to make sure it's working. Meanwhile, we're also gonna need to do one more step. Verify there is at least one link with the text patch Maven. Okay, Maven. Okay, and we have that's working perfectly. And then one more time, right? So we need to check locator for that at least one link. So there are many links, 1, 2, 3, etc. Those are the links under the header, under the article. Okay, so I would probably use the article. Let me see, article. So those are the articles. You see there are articles, all of them, and then inside of each of the article you have a link and you have header, right? So you have div h2. Let's do like div h2 header second level. Okay, perfect. And then for that header you have anchor a, and that anchor should have a span. Oops, not this one. The span. Okay, that has that span, right? And the span has a text. Or you can simply get the link and see what's going to be in return. So this is my locator, my XPath. So let's do that. Driver. Oh, I think I'm gonna use list web element, and then I'll do that links after search equals. I'll import this list class. It's interface though. So, and here driver find elements by XPath, and this is my XPath. So gonna return me all the anchors from the article, and then for the assertion I'll check assert true, and then we'll basically see the actual string, the expected result would be that fact that we have Maven patch Maven text. Okay, and then you want to go through the loop, I think, and see if the let me create a flag if is the result is the links are the links have expected. Okay, so by default I'll use false, and then in the for I'll set it to true if it's true. Let me remove redundant assertion. So let me do this for, and then web element link, then links after the search, and then if the link get text contains expected result, then this one equals to true. So, and at the end I'll go assert true, and are the links have the expected result. So this is one of the ways you can do that. So as you can see, I'm going through the loop with that links, and then one by one I get in the text and check if the text has that Apache Maven. So this way I would check my logic would verify, even though that maybe the link number 5 would have Apache Maven, then it's still gonna work. So in our case, we actually know that the very first link has Apache Maven. But what is if that would be not the case? What if maybe the second link would have that Apache Maven? That's why we actually following exactly the requirements, checking that any one of the links would have that Apache Maven, then the criteria is satisfied. So let's go ahead and do the debug. Check it together. So okay, we open that Maven. Great. Then we checking that actual result. It's present. It's perfect. Then we get in all the links. So this is important, right? So we all getting all the articles, which is 11 results. Then we setting the flag to false, so it's default value. And then for each of the link, we go in and getting a text, and we're verifying that text contains expected result. So let me see, for example, right now I highlighted link get text, and I'll call the evaluate expression in order to see what is the value. Okay, Maven coupons. Okay, this is the first one. Actually, you see, we have actually the second one. Okay, this doesn't have Maven, so we skip it. That flag is still false. Let's check the second one. Okay, now the second one is actually true. And being honest with you, it doesn't make sense going further. Once it's true, it's true. It's gonna, waste our time. So I can do return or break. Let's do the break. So second time I run it, that script gonna run even faster with the break. So let's one more time execute it with the debug. So break helps to speed, to break that loop. So we don't need to go further. Okay, so this is the second link that has Maven, Apache Maven, and then we breaking it, and right ahead I'm going to assert. I'm not going to the next iterations for the loop. So perfect. The console is green. The test case is accurate and it's working perfectly.